At the beginning of this year, I told myself that I wanted to learn new things that used to scare me. So you'll see coming up with a couple of things that I'm doing. I'm learning new skills because I was scared of them. One being cutting glass. As you know, we are making over the living room. Part of making over the living room, we are going to do a TV cabinet, and I retrofit it, or I'm changing a dresser into a TV stand. The TV, or the dresser, we got free from outside of a thrift store. A thrift store couldn't even sell it, so they had a big sign on it that said free. Joe and I went to go pick it up, and I said I can turn that into a TV stand. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Hi, and welcome to this week's video. This week we are going to cut glass for the very first time. I've never done it before. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, but I also went to Home Depot's website and they have how to cut glass. So I've never cut glass before, and we are going to do it for the first time together. Couple of things that you're going to need. You're going to need some leather gloves or some gloves to protect your hand. You're going to need safety goggles. These are my husband's. I know, they're so cool. They're Joe's. You're going to need your glass, and you're going to need, I got a kit. I opened it up, but I got a glass cutting kit, and you'll see in the video, we went to Home Depot and we shopped for this. But it has the cutting oil, the cutting tool, and a marker, which I found useless. So just use just a permanent marker. You can take it off with a alcohol swab. So this is what I got. And you are going to need measuring. I just have a regular measuring tape. But I also have this drafting square too that I like because it helps me do straight lines. I think we should face our fears and get on into it. So come on, let's go. So part one of this makeover of the TV stand is taking out the center drawers and making them into cubbies. You'll see that in the whole TV stand redo. But the one part of this TV stand is making a door or a glass door out of a solid door. We cut the inside panel, and then we routed around to make that channel glass to sit into. We measured it, we went to Home Depot, we bought glass, and side note, my Home Depot does not cut glass. Yay me, because I get to face my fears. I got a glass cutting tool. I got some silicone to put the glass in, and the glass. And we are going to learn this together.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic. plastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Are you gonna cut the glass?
Try my hardest. You ready? Right now I'm scoring it.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
Oh, this is just for later on. Oh, actually, there's one.
What?
Later project.
I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
Strange neighbors and walk into their house with
Strange men?
yeah, with a strange man.
It could be possibly my last
Get into
dance, my
people's
last
strange cars.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Strange people, strange cars.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
You have a hard time. Jeez.
I don't have the tool. I'll check marks.
ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
This is my first time doing it. I'm learning. I had a great time learning. I had a great time facing my fears. Never ever did I think in the world that I would cut glass. I always thought, oh, well, I'll just go to the store and they do it for me. Well, it's so easy. Shame on me for thinking that. I empowered myself to learn how to cut glass, and I am by no means an expert, but I did it. And in the end, we now have a door with a glass insert. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video tutorial. If you like this kind of stuff, please hit subscribe. Hit the bell notification, thumbs up. Oh my goodness, yeah, thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys do something that you didn't think that you could do. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.
Ow! Frick! Mother trucker. Scheitzenberger. Darn it. That really freaking hurt.
Hey, you thought I was gone, didn't you? I just wanted to mention that if you could find these are so cool. It makes the glass cutting experience that much more awesome. Not really. And then also use your painting tape to get all those little shards of glass. You can just put the sticky side down and collect all those little pieces of glass that you will have. And for the big shard that came off, I'm wrapping them up with tape and putting them in a double bag because I don't want anybody to get cut because of me cutting glass. That's it. Those are my little tips that I can give you at this point. Maybe in the future we'll cut more glass and I will have more information